What's up, everybody? John D, Next Step Fitness here. So I'm gonna do a video every day for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 videos are gonna come out the next 5 days. It's gonna be about keto and fasting and how good it works for you. So real quick, this morning I had did shoulders and some tricep. Did 20-minute cardio. For lunch I had grilled chicken teriyaki with broccoli and a cup of water. Snacked on some Planters salted cashew, about 8 grams of carbs, high in fat, about 25 grams of fat. And then for dinner, I had chicken breast, 2 eggs, and like some cut up sausage. They were like, I can't tell you the amount on that one, but for the most part, keeping it really, really low carb, like almost keto. And fasting, we're gonna do a 16-8, stop at 8 p.m., start at 1 p.m., 16 hours, whatever. So just now weighed myself and it was 257, I think. Let me check. Okay, 258.2. Yes, I've gained a little weight, but as you can see, it's honestly, I think it's good weight. Not really sweating it too much, but summer is coming. Then the video is gonna go up every day, and just telling what I ate, the breakdown of it, fasting, workout, everything like that. So tomorrow morning is leg day, legs and abs, cardio 20 minutes, and then tomorrow, the next time you see this is gonna be the evening. So yeah, guys, if remember, like the video, Next Step Fitness, subscribe. Yeah, we're gonna see how much weight I can lose in a week, but doing a 16-8 fast with keto, and yeah, see what happens. Let's do it.